Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be assembling the Mamba dual suspension bicycle. We will be assembling this beautiful electric vehicle with you. For any additional information, please do not hesitate to contact us at 0422028609. In this box, we have the necessary components to begin assembling the electric bicycle, as well as accessories such as pedals, a charger, a phone holder, and a manual, along with some tools. We will now proceed to unbox the Ebike from its original packaging and remove all the protective materials from the frame and bicycle parts. We will remove all its wrapping. Next, we will install the front axle or wheel hub. Pay attention to the spring and the nut, and proceed as follows. We will then continue with the installation of the front wheel by loosening the axle that secures the suspension and then removing the brake caliper pad. We will now place the wheel in its position, carefully introducing it into the suspension, while ensuring that the brake disc is properly aligned with the caliper. Once this is done, we will adjust the front axle. Next, we will move on to the handlebars. Remove the 4 screws from the stem and place the handlebars in this position, then reinsert the 4 screws. An important step is the installation of the pedals, which are labelled right and left. We will locate the correct pedal for each side and secure them to the cranks accordingly. We will now install the front light by removing the screw from the suspension with a 10mm wrench and a 5mm Allen key. Position the light and secure it in place. Next, we will install the phone holder, which is secured with a single star screw. After this, tighten the stem with a 5mm Allen key, ensuring that it is aligned correctly. Finally, we will inflate our tires. Each tire has the manufacturer's specifications marked on it. In this case, we will inflate to 40 psi to have our Ebike ready for adventure. Thank you for watching. Hope this video will help and guide you for the assembling the e-bike. And don't forget to visit our website at avocadoebike.com for more e-bike selection. Please leave a comment and see you for our next video.